being sticked in the knees. It's like I'm being sticked in the knees. I have knee pads.
Oh gosh.
Okay.
I thought you said it wasn't that far.
It opens up down there.
Okay.
Yeah, it's right down there. Maybe out of this, I'm gonna take me a good break. And then we can go through the rest of the cave.
You ready to pull your helmet up here? I just hit my head.
Oh, you be hitting your head a lot with the helmet. You be making a cheese grater. I broke the deal with my daddy about Betty Quillen, but here I am.
I think there's a stand-up spot right there.
Brandon laughing. I don't know if you heard what I said.
Oh, I heard what you said.
I'm talking about him.
What'd you say? What I said?
I said it. I said, I know I ain't gonna do belly crawling. My dad don't want me either, and I promise him not to. But here where I am. About to be with my daddy.
Alright, so let's go.
I mean, this part doesn't make my knees hurt, but it's actually helping. But at the same time, not.
I mean, at least it's a pretty crawl now.
Yeah.
This is the shortest crawl.
Yeah. Could be worse. Oh, y'all guys just died.
I think I fell short.
Oh, gosh. And we still gotta go back through this, man.
I know. But there's the other way, but I don't know how bad it is. You can look at it.
Get up there, wake some man.